Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a very popular opening. This opening is popular because it's simple and it covers all aspects of an opening. So the name of this opening is Geico Piano. It is a variation of Italian opening. So let's start. White plays e4, controlling the center. Black replies with e5, doing the same. Then white plays knight to f3, attacking this pawn and also developing this knight. Then black replies with knight to c6, protecting the pawn and also developing the knight. Now we play bishop to c4, attacking the f pawn, as we know that this is the weakest pawn in the game. So black plays the same, bishop to c5. As you can see, it seems that both are copying each other, but this is the best way to develop all the pieces. As you can see, it's just been 3 moves and we have already 2 pieces in the game. Now from here the game can go like knight to c3 or pawn to d3, just opening this diagonal for our bishop, or we can simply castle here. Even d3 is played in some games to develop this bishop from b2. c3 is also very popular with the idea of playing d4 in the future. And in all these cases, black generally replies with knight to f6 or knight to e7. So there are few traps as well in this opening which you have to consider while playing it, like attacking this attacking this bishop with pawn d4 after playing c3 first, and if you play directly d3, then black can go for this, or after playing knight first and after you castle, black can go for this a5 move, attacking your bishop. And as you know that this bishop is more powerful than this knight, so you don't want to trade it, but you don't have any option. If you play this, then black can even play this and this. So you have to consider all this while playing this. This pin in this opening is also very popular. This pin on bishop g5, pinning this knight. Later on, this b knight of white comes to c3, then d5, and attack this knight. So it's somewhere it becomes hard for black to develop later on. So I hope you enjoyed this opening. Please try to play this opening as much as you can. You will learn a lot more, and this is the simplest way. Even if you are playing against a higher rated player, you should go for this opening. Even if your opponent plays something else, you can still play the same moves in different orders, so it will be fine and you can directly convert this game into good with a advantage in middle game. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.